Pinterest is a platform called by many social networks, which some years ago founded on the internet and has become a rage amongst users. A recognized tool for sharing visual ideas and window for learning, since you can find valuable information. If you want to draw a picture and you do not know the technical, or on the contrary, you want to make a recipe that is out of the ordinary, just place the word in the search engine and you can find related images that will guide you to develop the idea you had in mind. What else can you do on Pinterest? This space allows you to select or filter the type of content you want to be reflected in your screen with a variety of captivating themes that will instantly envelop you when you enter the platform. Among these are topics such as cooking, home care, health exercises, renovation projects, or on the pair of shoes perfect for your style, accompanied by a description and a link that takes you straight to the page of origin of the image. If you have a company and you want people to see your products there, you can create your pins or images that you want to highlight and strengthen the recognition of your brand. The pins or images that you want to save to see in other occasions can be saved in a folder called a board. You can create several and organize your interests according to your wish. Now you know a page with a variety of options that will allow you to group ideas and get the most out of your projects.